Alright, this is the Newberry knife castration. Last calf of the day. You grab the sac or the scrotum and try to get up as high as you can. Well, if I can get there. And you want to pull straight back so there's not a little pocket. Well, that's not the best cut, but I barely got it. Let me try that again. You don't want to leave a little pocket. And you get a hold of one, and you're going to pull down until you feel the muscle release, and you'll know. Except with that one, he just pulled the whole thing when he jumped, so. Get the other one, same thing, until the muscle releases. That one. And then we scrape it instead of just cut it. I don't know if it's better or not, and they're gonna bleed, but it's okay. Just keep them in the lot for a little bit so they can clot up and you're good to go.